Underachiever ka ba? Parati ka na lang huli. Sa school, ikaw parati na sa row 4. Sa competition, ikaw parating talo. Yan na yan ako dati. Today, I will share with you my journey on how I turn my underachievement into success. Kung kayo interesado, you got to finish this video.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang world coach. I'm really so blessed and honored and privileged that you are watching this channel every 8 p.m. Manila time. So if you're not yet a subscriber, alam na this. So, ito lang po, pag-usapan po natin from underachiever to an overachiever. Gusto mo bang mangyari sa buhay mo? So, isi-share ko sa inyong personal journey ko and how you can also get out of it. Ang pinaka-siguro, let me start with this premise. Yung parang ayaw na ayaw ko yung family reunion, class reunion. Bakit po? Parating natatanong na,
Uy, ano yung tinapos mo? Uy, may negosyo ka na ba? May asawa ka na ba? May pa ka na ba?
Parang, lalo na kung single ka pa, di ba? Ang hirap niyan, lalo na pag wala ka na sa kalendaryo. Sabihin sa'yo,
Uy, wala ka na sa kalendaryo.
alam, pag sinabihan kang ganun, wala ka na sa kalendaryo kasi 31 ka na, wala ka pang jowa, ay naku, sumagot ka ng buong tapang, sabihin mo, bakit? Sa letrang O, di ba? Sa bingo card, di ba? Sa letrang O, 75. Hindi, ito lang mga friendship. Ako rin, kasi, yun nga, yung parang family reunion, they will ask, ano tapos mo? Cricket? Crick. Eh, kasi nga, number 1, undergraduate ako. Number 2, I failed grade 6 4 times. So, parang, ang feeling ko talaga, loser talaga ako. And then, feeling ko talaga na, yun nga, they look down at me. Diba? Parang, pag wala ka na-achieve sa buhay, parang feeling mo, nagdududa ka sa sarili mo. Tapos, para ka nang hinuhusgahan. Diba? May stigma diba? At nakakahiya. At feeling mo, nag-iisa ka. And then, syempre, marami kang frustration sa buhay. Sino sa inyo ang nakaka-relate? Type relate in the comment section. Kaya tatanungin ko si Curious Pinoy Channel, si Julius Centeno pala, at saka si Shani Barrow. Nakaka-relate ba kayo? So, basically, what I've done nung na-realize ko talaga na I'm an underachiever. So, ito yung unang ginawa ko. Number 1, I acknowledge that I failed in the past. Nag-fail talaga ako. Wala, hindi ako nakapagtapos. Bumagsak ka talaga ako Yun talaga Huwag nating i-deny na naging parte na ng buhay natin yan. But one thing that I've realized is this. Stop living in the past. Bakit po? One thing that you and I should understand is you cannot change the past. Your past mistake, your past hurts, your past failures. If you always live in the past, you know what will happen, my friend? You become a prisoner of your past. You will never be able to move forward and move on. Agree or disagree? Type in the comment section. Agree ka. Kaya ang dami po sa atin ngayon na nakikinig ikaw, di ba? Kung bakit ka hindi makamove on, parati kasi sinisisi mo yung nakaraan mo Sinisisi mo yung magulang mo, sinisisi mo yung mga kamag-anak mo kung bakit ka naging biktima, di ba? Yes, nilamangan ka. Yes, you got the short end of the stick. But one thing I've learned again, if you live in the past, you become a prisoner of the past. You cannot change the past. That's number 1. Number 2, second thing that I've realized is I cannot also live in the future. When you say future, kasi minsan nagiging futuristic tayo
Paano mag-umpisa ang negosyo? Paano kung malugi? Paano kung, let's say, mag-switch ako ng career? Paano kung ayaw ko yung environment? Paano naman, kung, let's say, umibig ako, nagpahiwati ka, mabasted ako?
So, once you always live also in the future, nagkikreate din ng tinatawag kong fear. The fear of the unknown, the fear of failure, the fear of rejection, the fear of failure, the fear, di ba? Of the uncertainty. Yun din ang nagiging problem. If you live in the past, you become a person of the past. When you live in the future, you become fearful. Agree or disagree? Again, grabe naman tong session natin na ito. And one thing I've realized is this. Ito yung power. Grabe to. This session will be short. How I would turn myself from an underachiever to an overachiever. You know what I realized? That I just need to live in the present moment. I cannot live in the past. I cannot live in the future. Kailangan, I need to live in the present. I need to ask myself these following questions. Number 1, what do I know? Anong alam ko? Diba? Number 2, saan ako magaling? Diba? Alam ko, may abilidad ako. Alam ko, masipag ako. Alam ko, matyaga ako. Alam ko, willing ako matuto. Diba? Saan ako magaling? Magaling ako magbenta. Magaling ako makipag-communicate. Magaling akong, ika nga mag-explain. That's number 2. Tapos number 3, okay? What do I have? Anong meron ako ngayon? Wala akong pera during that time, pero meron akong skills, meron akong talent. Diba? And then, yun ang ginawa ko. I live one day at a time. One day at a time. Hindi ko na iniisip yung nakaraan ko, hindi ko na mababago, hindi ko isipin ang kinabukasan ko dahil matatakot lang ako. Araw-araw, ito lang ang ginagawa ko. So, I made conscious decision every day. Anong ginagawa ko? Basta ang goal ko every single day is improvement. Ang goal ko is progression. Kailangan mag-progress ako. Dati kumikita ako ng 10 piso, ngayon naging 100. Dating 100, kumita na ako 1,000. 1,000 gagawin kong 5,000. 5,000 gagawin kong 10,000 every single day. Di ba? So, because my goal in life is not perfection, but my goal in life is progression. So, I focus on that. And to cut the long story short, ito po ang aking humble report for my achievement. As of the present, right now, I have over 10 million followers over social media. And I serve 2 prominent shows at 1PH sa TV5, yung Mag-Budget Tayo with Titin Babaw and yung Ching Positive. That's my solo show for 12 years. And yun nga, this one already the best special program, yung Ching Positive, and the 20th KBP Golden Dove Awards in 2022. Sa PMAP Makatao Awards, I won the best special program host for Mag-Budget Tayo. I received the best selling product award at TikTok Awards in 2023. And I also was celebrated as the best content educator of the year at TikTok Awards in 2023. I'm an author of 17 best-selling books. My podcast ranks on the top 15 listened at Spotify. I engage also at least 150 to 200 speaking engagements per year. And aside from that, the most parang siguro pinaka-accomplishment ko, this far outweighs all of my accomplishment. I'm happily married for over 24 years to my wife, Novi, and I have 3 wonderful kids. So, guys, yun po ay nangyari. So, probably you're asking right now,
Chinky, ikaw yan, pero paano naman ako ngayon?
bibilisan ko lang to, how you can also overcome your underachievement. So, if you have a paper and a pen, take note. Number 1, self-acceptance. Accept that, again, you cannot change the past. Do not stop living in the future. Start living in the present. That's step number 1. Kaya mo yan? Kung kaya mo, type mo kaya. Number 2, set realistic goals. Huwag na muna tayo yung bahay, sasakyan. Pag-usapan muna natin ngayon kung ikaw meron kang present income, you want to earn additional income. Yung additional income mo, kahit kumita ka ng 10 piso, improvement na yan, progression na yan. From 10 piso, gawin mo 100, 100, gawin mo 1,000, 1,000, gawin mo 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. Again, ang goal is progression, not perfection. Number 3, ang gawin mo, seek guidance. Reach out for coaches and mentors who can help you. Bakit mo kailangan pagtiisan na lahat ng pagkakamali kung pwede ka matuto sa mga taong nagkamali? Number 4, develop a growth mindset. Basa, aral, attend sessions, watch videos, find a community that can really help you. Continuously to learn, di ba? And then last but not the least, never give up. Never ever give up. Kahit na anong mangyari sa buhay mo, huwag kang susuko. Pag yan, sinunod mo to, ulit-ulitin mo lang to ha, ulitin ko sinabi ko ha, accept mo kung nasaan ka, live in the present, set realistic goals, kahit barya lang, maghanap ka ng mga guidance ng coaches and mentors that continues to learn, develop a growth mindset at huwag kang aayaw. Ano pag ginawa mo yan? Woo! From an underachiever, you can be an overachiever. Yes, grabe naman. And I'm really excited for your journey. That's the reason why. If you want to be part of the transformational journey, and if you want me to help you to be part of the transformational journey, gusto mo ba yun? Na ako na magko-coach sa'yo, ako na mag-guide sa'yo, nako, join us at our Team Iponaryo. Yes. Team Iponaryo Community sa Facebook group po. Yes, Facebook private group po to. Pero good news, you can join for free. Join us there and we will meet there and we will connect each other there at para makapag-usap po tayo. Para sa mga taong na sumusubaybay sa channel na ito, maraming salamat. Pakitype lang kung ano yung nagustuhan nyo sa episode natin na ito. It will mean a lot to me. And by the way, kung nagustuhan nyo rin tong episode, share this episode to your friends. Okay, lalo na yung mga taong underachiever. Yung mga raw 4. Yes, tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina, ang susi sa pagyaman.